many people warned me about credit cards. They just wouldn't do it. When I needed a car, I realized that I needed to look for credit. So I went to my credit card that could save me build credit without being afraid of fees or interest. And there was no credit check. My score went up over 60 points, and I got my first car. As a busy college student, having a car is an absolute must. I feel like I can do anything. My next goal is 700 credits. Do I need time to help?
What's the point? Retribution? He's dead. He's not dead. What do you mean? I mean, 6 is a bunch. Violence. How can you be alive? But the whole world is on the paper. It's the chemical foundation of what I'm certain is a cure for hemophobia. Dax's researchers probably developed years ago in the same lab. That he was right. Just give me a little time. I can hear you. I know you.
Go sit down right now. Go sit down. You're just not listening.
It's over.